In this video, I want to show you how to replace your door seal, which is this rubber piece right here that goes all around the door. This process will apply to any of the four, but I'm going to show you on the driver's side. Pull up on this door seal and take it out from underneath this trim piece here. Now just go around and pull the rest of it off of the door. And once you get to the front here, take it out from underneath this trim piece. Now to install it, you can simply pull up on this trim piece, secure the door seal in place, press it firmly into place, and resecure this trim piece. And now you can just follow the seal along the door and go ahead and press it into place. It should feel like it snaps in. It's not going to actually snap in, but it should feel like it kind of wants to lock into place. And once you get back to where you started, you'll notice that you have extra material. You're going to have to cut it off. It's normal that you have more than you need. And I suggest using some cutters because there are actually thin metal wires that go through this seal to actually make it hold its shape. It's not just rubber, so you can't just use a razor blade to cut through it. So make sure you cut the appropriate length. You can see it has to line up with this trim piece here. So I'm going to have to cut some extra. And once it's cut, bonk it down into place. Now, assuming your truck doesn't look like this, you could put this trim piece right back and take it for a road test and make sure you don't get any wind noise or water coming into the vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.